Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are visiting Crossley and Webb, and today we're going to be filming our fourth video on the channel. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. What a place this is. Jeez. There's so much cars. They have a, what is it called? Shelby DAYTONA. They actually have this car here. So I was wondering where this car went, because this car was first at Motor Village, and now I'm seeing this car is here. I don't think it's the same one. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. What the car? Ferrari 360. So Porsche. There's so much Porsches everywhere. Like, dude, what is this place? Do they even have a, what is this car called? I think it's an MC20, if I'm not mistaken. How sick does that look? All of these cars that just go all the way up into the back. Yeah. What a car. Jeez. 458 Speciale. Another Rolls Royce. Wow, this is so sick. Look how nice this McLaren is. What's this? 600 LT, I think. Yeah. That looks so nice. So this GT RS. Yo, what is this thing? Dude, this looks sick. Dude, what is this place? This is only my second time coming here, but I only came here like last year. I don't remember seeing those many cars. What the heck? This looks mad. I've seen one of these before. There was one that was not too far from where I stayed. They drove past. It was a black one. But he's seeing two of them, or three. But I love the color on this. It's just perfect. I think it might look a bit red, but it's more of a maroon color, and it just stands out so nice. Jeez. There's another one here at the back. kind of do wish there was a bit more lighting, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. Jeez. There's a few more cars this here under covers, but wish you could see them. How nice is this interior on this thing? Jeez. 190 SR. This is the one at the same person, the Shelby Daytona, and I think this is actually a different one. I thought there was only one, but it seems there's two of them now, and not just one. Because with this Daytona, that Motor Village, there was a Countach, a yellow one, that was alongside it. So I assume that that Countach would also be here, but I don't see it. How sick is this MC20? This is so nice. So first I'm seeing one of these, and this as well. How sick does that look? Dude, these brakes are massive. Jeez, like compared to mine, it's flipping huge. I'm not much of a Porsche fan, but this thing looks mental. Jeez. I love these wheels. This looks so clean. These SLS. Here's this F82 M4. Looks dope. I don't think there are much other cars, but there's so much cars here. Yeah, just did another quick walk around another shop, just full of some massive warehouse full of these nice cars. I might do another one next week, but I also might be going to, I think on this Sunday I might have another video out for, what's it, Sea Point Sunday. So I haven't been to one of those yet, but I think that's going to be the next video that I should be posting. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.